Hi everyone, in this video we will see how you can set up a page from Cornerstone. Let's start with the video. So this is a blank workspace from Cornerstone. Then what we will do, we will go to the plus mark, then we'll see a page, like create a page. Then we will rename the page, demo page. Then after that, we'll update the settings. See, the page is already here as well. Then the slug as well. Then we have to make it publish. No allow comment. We can also select the parents page, the templates of the process, the container. Like, do you need a container, header, footer, or you don't need container, header, or no footer? So there are a lot of things. Usually, what I do is the no container, header, and footer. This is the default one for me. And then you can use the feature image, select the feature image from here as well. And you can also control the header, footer, and single layout for this page as well. We will see these things in future videos. So let's start how we can start with the page. So first of all, we have three things. Blank canvas. We can start with a blank canvas. We can use templates, and we can clone existing pages. This is a very, very useful settings for Cornerstone. I guess this is one of the best, because if you start building one page, you can directly import those things. You don't have to copy paste. You just directly import and start work from that page as well. So for this video, we'll start blank canvas. So here it is. After blank, there's three options: row, div, and grid. So div and grid is a very advanced level implementation. So we will go with row for this video. So see the section, and then we have, as children, we have a row, and under the row we have the layout, like how many, what will be the layout, full 100%, then 2 column, 3 column, 4 column, and this is the layout. So we just select 3 columns. So here is the 3 columns we have. And lastly, we can have the elements in here as well. In the right side panel under elements, we can select anything we want, like text. Then we can have header as well, headline element. And then after that, we can directly from here, we can have a button. So here we have the button, the text. So this is how we start building the process with every section, row, and column. But at advanced level, for less DOM size, for the pages to load faster, we usually sometimes directly use div and other elements, so that the build process is efficient. So that's it for this video. I hope that you know how to utilize the Cornerstone and start building the pages. Thank you.